You ever get into the office in the morning and log into PDM and your icons are all messed up? Yesterday, whenever I was in here, I set it to details, but when I logged in this morning, it was set back to tiles. Or maybe you wonder about the preview placement. Is there a better way to get screen real estate, screen layout options that are available for my user experience? This Q-tip is for you. All right, gang, so we've got a situation here where there's features available to us, but they're just not widely broadcast. There is a way to save those screen layout settings. Let's say that I have my settings set to details. The reason why is because whenever I have details set up, I can slide across here and sort by revision, category, or other data card fields like part number and description. If I can sort by those, it makes searching a lot easier in my PDM vault. All we have to do is go to the top level of our PDM vault, change this one at this level so that it will carry all of the same settings to every folder, subfolder that's in the PDM vault, and then save those settings. So let's click on details at the top level of our vault, then click on organize, change folder and search options, and then go to view. Once we click apply to all folders, it's going to ask us if we want to save those changes for every folder that's and its subfolder in this folder. We want to click yes. When we click OK, you'll see the screen refresh briefly, but what that's doing is it's resetting our Explorer view. So if we now go back to that folder, it should be set to details and every other folder that we look at as well. Okay, we've got that one taken care of. The next one is preview placement. Some of our customers have their widescreen monitors turned up in portrait mode so that they can read long lists of data or maybe write papers or proposals. We totally get that. Your user experience is different. One of your monitors might be in portrait mode and the other is in landscape mode. Here's how you can adjust your screen layout to help your user experience there. In this case, we've got all of our preview window down here, and we've got data card version, bills of material that we've grown accustomed to working with. If we go to the display menu, let's talk a little bit about what's up here. File preview gives us the preview window itself. This card preview, not necessarily a card preview, but it is the variables in the card. That's this section of the window right over here. If I disable that, my card preview turns off. If I turn it back on, then I get it back. Here's another helpful tip. If I go to display and then I do my preview placement, right now it's currently along the bottom. That's not just the preview, it's the entire, they call this the accelerator. It's the entire accelerator, the data card, the version, bills of materials. Let's set this from instead of at the bottom to the right. To the right sets it so that if I have a really wide screen, I might have my whole file list over here and all the data card fields that I need, and my preview placement, my data card, my version, bills of materials, all that's over here. But it's also very helpful if I have a long list of file names that I need to scroll down through, and I can see a lot more information more readily. One last component that we might want to take a look at is how you can access your user account, which user you are logged in as. In the old days, we would go down to the system tray, click on PDM, and then hover over log off, and you can see demo PDM logged in as currently the admin. There's a new way to do this. If I hover over this user widget, then I can see I'm logged in as the admin. If I click on it, I get the option to log out from here. So you don't have to have access to the system tray in case you're working on a different screen than your main system tray window. Again, this is for screen layout and a little bit of real estate reorganization for your screen to help your users have a better experience inside the PDM system where you work. Hopefully this Q-tip's been helpful for you. Believe in the Q.